city and citizens of Mumbai. Friends, we are very happy to have you all with us on this auspicious occasion. As my son Akash got married to Shloka right here just 3 days ago. Our Indian weddings are incomplete without extended celebrations with family, friends, and loved ones. So it gives us immense joy to welcome you to this evening of celebrations as India's largest parivar and our larger family, whom we adore and cherish as our own. On behalf of Mukesh and myself, I seek your blessings and good wishes for our children, Akash and Shloka. Your presence truly multiplies our happiness. दोस्तों, भारत की मिट्टी में भक्ति भी है और शक्ति भी। आज दुनिया में ऐसी कोई ताकत नहीं जो हिंदुस्तान की ओर बुरी नजर से देखने की हिम्मत करे। आज विश्व भर में भारत को जो मान सम्मान मिल रहा है, उसका सबसे बड़ा कारण है हमारी बहादुर सेना। Your courage, your bravery, your ultimate sacrifice keeps our nation and our families safe every day. The Ambani family and the entire Reliance family salutes our forces and your families. It is our duty as your family to stand by you and always be there for you, just as you are always there for our entire nation. The welfare and well-being of your families is our responsibility. Today, I reiterate as the chairperson of Reliance Foundation, the Foundation's commitment and resolve to take full responsibility of the education, employment, and livelihood needs of the families of our Shaheeds. Further, Reliance Foundation is establishing a skill development center exclusively for our armed forces and their families. This is our humble contribution to the guardians of our nation so that your children can prosper. Because children are the future of our nation. They are a promise of a better, more beautiful tomorrow. And I want to assure you that Reliance Foundation will take care of your children and your families in every possible way. We owe a great debt to each one of you, to every member of our armed forces, and to your families for the endless and selfless sacrifices that you have made for India, and for all of us whose safety you place before your own families. Our heart is filled with love, reverence, and deepest respect for each and every one of you.